Yo, what's up? It's been a minute. Look at me. I no longer ride bikes. I'm in a car. I'm on vacation in Hawaii and I haven't been uploading any videos. I just felt like taking a vacation, you know what I mean? So today is Christmas Eve and we are going to ride a bike. I rented a bike from a bike shop over here and we are going to ride to this beach called Kekaha Kai Beach. It looks like it's going to be about a 9-mile one-way trip. Just breaking in the legs. It's been about 2 weeks since I rode a bike. Alright, before we set off, let me tell you about the bike. This is a Vast. Not sure the model, I think it's the A1. I don't know too much about this company. It's an aluminum frame, Shimano GRX 1x, Praxis carbon cranks, GRX brakes. It's all pretty normal, basic stuff for a rental bike, but it's a gravel bike. It's got these little adventure mounts here for more water bottles if you want them. And overall, I think the bike looks pretty cool. Thanks, Vast. Alright, let's get on this bike. So we're riding on a highway in the airport, the Kona airport. Kona on the Big Island, that's where I'm at. Forgot to tell you. The airport's right here. It's over to the left there. And to my right is a volcano. This route sucks. We're on the side of a highway. I don't know how much I'm gonna film here. Look at all these cars. It's not crazy, but compared to how peaceful the rest of this island is, this is like the busiest road. All right, to my right and my left is black lava flow. That is not hot no more, but look at it. It's where the molten lava hardened. Look at this shit. I found a lava tube. I'd go in there, but it says no trespassing. They just built a road right over it. Pretty cool. Hawaii gravel. Drop the chain, dude. Oh, no. GRX. This is why Shimano sucks right here. So the guy at the bike shop told me about this. He's like, where are you gonna ride? I don't know. A couple spots on Ride with GPS. And he's like, oh, you should ride to this beach. There's a little bit of a gravel section. Something to get you warmed up. Thanks, guy. Hello. Oh, no. We got a flat tire. Look at this pile of lava rock. It's crazy. You hear that? All of this is that. All of this for everywhere you can see. Even the brown stuff over there. I've never seen anything like this. What is this? Whew. Well, that slowed me down. I don't have any more tubes. That always is a scary feeling when you use your last tube. This is the most unique gravel trail I've ever ridden. We got airplanes landing. We got volcanic old lava runs. Lots of cars. Sweet little gravel session into a beach. Check out the beach here. That's as far as we're gonna go. Alright, so I gotta get back to the car so I can go pick up Tatum. She's at a beach that's like an hour away, so hope you enjoyed this weird gravel ride. I know it's only like a mile of gravel, but pretty interesting. So I'll see you guys on the next one. Happy holidays. Enjoy your vacations.